Coal is a lifeline of every citizen of India and globe, directly or indirectly. Even for energy, coal is one of the important products. Even domestic power, agriculture power, industrial power, and commercial sector. Power is a need, from mobile charging to grinder to everywhere. Per power, coal is one of the important products. Without coal, there is no power. That's why I told this real gold, not a lifeline, but coal is a real lifeline. That's why real gold is not important, but is a black gold, very important for this country or human life. That's why I told this is not a coal, this is a black gold. Friends, the vibrant and reform-oriented coal sector is the key to achieving the goals of Atmanirbhar Bharat in lifeline of and with Honorable Narendra Modi ji's vision of making Bharat a global powerhouse. With this vision, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji launched the first round action of commercial coal mining in 2020. This was a historical step in the history of India's coal mining industry, and it has been a great success. That historic step was rooted in the vision of enhancing domestic production of coal, making countries Atmanirbhar in the coal sector, also address countries' growing energy needs. I am also happy to note that since the launch of commercial coal actions in 2020, the transparent and fair action process has been well received by the all corner of industry and all organizations. Several policy reforms have been undertaken to make the process even more competitive and attractive, such as a streamlined approval process. The single window clearance system has been implemented for enhanced efficiency and greater ease of doing business. A project monitoring unit has been also established to ensure seamless management, capping of upfront amount, bid security reduced by 20%,